Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all about healthy snacks. We've all been there, that mid-afternoon slump hits and you find yourself reaching for something to munch on. But instead of grabbing those chips or cookies, why not fuel your body with something nutritious and satisfying? In this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite healthy snack ideas that are not only delicious, but also easy to make. From sweet treats to savory bites, there's something for everyone. So let's dive in. Snack Idea 1. Energy Balls. These little bites of goodness are perfect for an on-the-go snack or a pre-workout boost. They're made with simple ingredients like oats, nut butter, honey, and your choice of mix-ins like dried fruit, coconut, or chocolate chips. Here's how you make them. Energy Ball Recipe. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup nut butter, peanut, almond, or cashew, 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/2 cup mix-ins, dried cranberries, chocolate chips, coconut flakes, etc. 1 TSP vanilla extract, optional. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before enjoying. Snack Idea 2. Veggie sticks with hummus. Crunchy, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. What's not to love about veggie sticks? Pair them with a creamy hummus dip, and you've got a satisfying and protein-packed snack. Some great veggie options include carrots, cucumber, bell peppers, and celery. For the hummus, you can make your own or buy a pre-made variety. I like to switch it up with different flavors like roasted red pepper or garlic herb. Snack Idea 3. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, and when you layer it with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of granola or nuts, you've got a delicious and nutritious parfait. Here's how to build the perfect parfait. Start with a base of plain Greek yogurt. Add a layer of fresh berries or diced fruit. Sprinkle with a handful of granola or chopped nuts. Repeat the layers until you reach the top of your parfait glass or jar. Snack Idea 4. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a trendy snack or even a meal, and for good reason. It's a great way to incorporate healthy fats and fiber into your diet. Simply toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash up some ripe avocado, and spread it on top. You can keep it simple or jazz it up with toppings like sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Snack Idea 5. Roasted chickpeas. If you're craving something crunchy and savory, roasted chickpeas are the way to go. They're high in protein and fiber, and you can season them with your favorite spices for a flavorful snack. Here's how to make them. Drain and rinse a can of chickpeas. Pat them dry with a paper towel. Toss with a drizzle of olive oil and your desired seasonings. Try cumin, paprika, or garlic powder. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400° F for 20-25 minutes, shaking the pan occasionally. There you have it. 5 delicious and healthy snack ideas to keep you fueled and satisfied throughout the day. Remember, snacking is an important part of a balanced diet, as long as you choose nutrient-dense options. These snacks are not only good for you, but also incredibly versatile. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different flavors and ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Let me know in the comments which snack idea you're most excited to try or share your own favorite healthy snack recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.